Hi guys, hope you guys are having a lovely day. So today I'm going to show you guys a simple raw papaya salad. Welcome again to I'm the Eater Food Show. So let's get straight into the recipe. So I have my green chilies first, and I'm going to beautifully slice my green chilies like that because I like a bit of heat in my salad. So fresh green chilies onto my bowl. Right, and next I have here the carrots. Right, what I'm going to do with the carrots is I'm going to beautifully slice them using my cutter. Right, simple as that. Comes out like noodles. Right, you can even use the knife, but it's very easy to get your job done. If you want to get one of these, you can check the link in the description below. I have link to the Amazon, and you can purchase this straight away. And these are really cool, guys, if you want to buy it, because you can peel it, and you can even cut carrots into shapes like this. Did you see that? It's very nice. You know, it's good for us stew or something. So cut into different shapes. So I have one of these in my kitchen. It's very handy, guys. So today I'm using this side. You see that? So I'll just nicely get this done. Yeah, that should be enough. Simple as that, right? And same for the cucumber as well. That's cucumber. I'm gonna use this size. Did you see that? How beautiful it comes out? Like noodles. That's so fresh. Yes, I got some fresh cucumber. That's going straight into my bowl, right? And most importantly, guys, I have my raw papaya. I'm going to use this side, and I'm going to peel my raw papaya. Let me show you guys how I'm going to get this done, right? Let me peel the papaya. This salad is a really cool salad, guys. If you want to have it with a steamed rice, or maybe a compliment for your rice and curry, it's really nice. I love this because this salad has the sweet and the spicy and the tangy flavor or the acidic flavor to it. I really like it because it's really good. Okay, with the papaya, guys, let me show you. This is the trick. You can use this cutter as well if you want to get the slices. This is very simple if you want to do it. But if you don't have this, you can use the knife, right? You can just put make cuts on the raw papaya like this. Make few cuts, and then you can just slice it, right? But since I have my cutter, I'm going to get this doing the job for me, right? Right, I got some papaya. Let me get this into the bowl, right? So finally we are done with the raw papaya salad, guys. Hey, there you go. That's the raw papaya salad. This is a recipe right from my rooftop. Let me taste those fresh noodles, I call it. There you go. Right? Wow. That's what you call it. That's the magic. With few simple home ingredients, guys, we can make wonders. This has just got salt, honey, and just a half a lime, but this tastes so good, guys. Especially with the honey, this tastes so different. My son is on the other side of the camera. He just want to have a bite of this salad. So thank you for watching, guys. Keep in touch. Do subscribe so that we can keep in touch for future videos, guys. And thank you so much. And love you all as always.